Friends, welcome to Sachin Dahotre's Education Way to Successful Life. Today we are going to learn about 12th English textbook, Section 4, 4.1 History of Novel. 18th century has gifted English literature with two entirely new forms, and they are the periodical essay and the novel. Since then, the novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually. Today it is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. The word novel is derived from the Italian word novella, means new. So, what is novel then? Novel is a relatively long narrative which describes human experiences in a prose form. The novel as a literary genre has a history of about 2000 years. Among these collections are Greek romances dating from the 2nd to 6th century, Virgil's Eclogue, Malory's Morte the Author, and Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. The world's first novel is Tale of Genji, and it is written by Murasaki Shikibu. After 1740, trade and commerce, along with the Industrial Revolution, had given rise to the middle class people in London. The spread of machines could provide a time to the educated middle class people for reading and discussions about the books. This time, drama and poetry were the two literary forms that were fading away. India has also contributed in the writing novels. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay has written Rajmohan's Wife, and it is serialized in the Indian Field, was the first novel in English written by an Indian. Mulkaraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, and Raja Rao were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, and Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, and Upamanyu Chatterjee reformed the Indian novel in English by adding new features to it. I will prepare a second part of this video on the elements of novel, and it will be uploaded very soon. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.